know your rights. It's time now for Legal Point. Now your host, Carrie Kasem.
Welcome to Legal Point. Like the man said, I'm Carrie Kasem. Today, I have elder law attorney Dennis Toman. He's the founder of the ElderLaw Firm in Greensboro, North Carolina. Dennis currently serves on board of directors of the North Carolina chapter of the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys. Thank you, Dennis, for being on the show today.
Well, it's wonderful to be here.
What happens? Like somebody comes in and says, hey, Dad wants to sign everything over to me, and Dad doesn't look so good. Can they just go to another and pay another attorney to do it?
That's probably their option to do so. Yeah, if I would to tell them that I didn't feel that Dad was capable of signing at that time,
right?
Then they would have a chance to thank me and proceed to perhaps find a different situation. But most people, most lawyers in this environment have an ethical obligation to the state bar and under the rules of legal practice that if there is a client with disabilities, that they have an obligation to that client to make sure they're not taken advantage of as well. And so in those situations, perhaps I'd rather work with the family about saying, well, we can't do a power of attorney, but it may be a good opportunity that we need to do a guardianship, that in order to make sure that the things turn out best, it's going to make things more difficult. There's more red tape and time delay, but a guardianship may be the answer in those situations.
And would you say like a court-appointed guardian?
Yeah,
or?
That'd be the only option at that time.
Yeah, if the families can't get along or can't figure it out, or you think there's some trouble there.
Well, and it's that perfect storm that I mentioned before, too, where even in a situation where a person has all the documents in place and maybe even the person is doing a great job of administering the estate during the individual lifetime, but somebody else disagrees about that, even having the documents in place can't prevent having a guardianship happen.